Let me explain here how to open a new file in SketchUp application. When we open the application, this window will be opened. Here various type of templates are given, that is simple and architectural templates. The main difference between the simple and architectural templates are the unit of measurement. The simple template uses inches or meters, while the architectural template uses inches, millimeters, centimeters or meters. And when we click the more template option, other templates are given here, that is plan view in inches and millimeters, meters, and urban planning in feet, meters, and landscape inches and meters, and woodworking inches and millimeters, and for interior templates inches and millimeters, and for 3D printing inches and millimeters are given. And these are all the default templates given in the application. And in recent files menu, recently worked files are shown, and if you want to open any one of the recently worked files, you can open here. And in this side, list view and grid views of the recently worked files are shown. You have to choose accordingly for your convenience. Then for opening new file, just open any one of the template you need. Now I'm going to open the first template, that is simple. Its basic unit is inches. As the new file is opened here, and this is your workspace for creating a model. If you see the top of the workspace, menu bar will be shown. And then if you want to create or open another new file, you have to select the file menu and the option new, that is a shortcut is Ctrl+N, just note it for your reference. So new file will be opened. And if you want to open the new file from another template, just click on the second option, that is new from template, and then the default templates will be opened. You have to choose any other templates you need. This is the way to create a new file in SketchUp by selecting the necessary templates.